Hello and welcome to the PC Pal YouTube channel. I'm here to help you find the best tech tools, software tips, and tricks to level up your digital skills. Today we're diving into the world of video editing software. When it comes to video editing, having the right software can truly make all the difference. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the right tools can help you bring your creative vision to life. Let's take a look at some of the top editing software available, and I'll help you find the best fit for your style and needs. First up, we have Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, Premiere Pro is pretty much the industry standard for a reason. It's packed with powerful tools, from multicam editing to motion graphics, and it integrates seamlessly with other Adobe products like Photoshop and After Effects. If you're serious about editing and want a tool that's highly customizable, Premiere Pro is a solid choice. Just keep in mind it comes with a learning curve, so it's ideal if you're ready to put in the time. Next is Final Cut Pro. This one's a favorite among Mac users, and for good reason. Final Cut Pro offers an intuitive interface and lightning-fast performance. Thanks to its magnetic timeline, it allows for really smooth editing without the hassle of tracks getting misaligned. It's a great choice for Mac users who want a pro-grade editor with impressive speed. Then we have DaVinci Resolve. This software is a powerhouse not only for editing but also for color correction and grading. Resolve's color tools are second to none, making it perfect if you're looking to elevate the visual quality of your videos. It's used in Hollywood, so you know it's serious. Plus, there's a free version that's surprisingly full-featured, so it's a good option if you're on a budget. Don't overlook HitFilm Express. If you're after a great free option with solid VFX capabilities, it's got a ton of built-in visual effects tools, which are great if you want to add some flair to your projects. Whether you're looking to create cinematic scenes or simply add some creative effects, HitFilm Express has got you covered. Finally, we have Filmora. Now, this one is perfect for beginners. It has a very user-friendly design, so it's easy to dive in even if you're completely new to video editing. Filmora offers a lot of creative features like pre-made templates, fun transitions, and effects that make it easy to get polished results without spending hours learning the software. So each of these tools brings something unique to the table, catering to different needs and skill levels. Whether you're looking for professional-grade editing, advanced color grading, or easy-to-use creative features, there's something here for everyone. Choose wisely and let your creativity shine. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more software recommendations, be sure to subscribe to the PC Pal for more tech tips, software tricks, and all things digital. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.